Hi, good morning, students. Now let us try to understand distance time graph. Okay, distance time graph. So what we are going to do, student, distance I am taking on the y-axis, and time I am taking where is the x-axis, friend? X-axis. Student, the point which we have to understand, that is we have to take, that is uniform motion. Okay, so let us go for uniform. When body is uniform motion, it means equal distance at equal interval of time. That is what uniform motion. So when a body moves uniform speed, it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Therefore distance traveled by the body is directly proportional to time taken. This can be seen from the table. So when the time is 0, the distance is 0. Time is 1 second means 20 meter. 2 second 40 meters. 3 seconds 60. So here you see the minute difference here, how much? 1 minute difference. Here is also 1. Here is also 1. And here is also 1. But here you see, student, here is also 1. Distance you see, that is difference is 20. Difference is 20. Difference is 20. Difference is 20. Difference means equal interval, equal distance it is going to travel. So dear student, how can you be able to make the graph? Okay, when we actually plot these point taking time x-axis and distance y-axis, we obtain a straight line graph. Okay, we can use the distance time graph to determine the speed of the body. Consider a small point a b of this graph. From both the point a and b, draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis and y-axis. Figure 1 points corresponding to the a distance traveled by body in time t1 s1, corresponding to the b point t2 s2 in time t2 minus t1 ca, and distance travel s2 minus s1 bc. So here you can see, when the time is this much, the distance is this much. Okay, when the time is this much, so distance is going to be this much. Now we are going to join the line like this. So what you are going to get, student, is speed is equal to distance travel upon time taken. Distance travel means s2 minus s1, time taken t2 minus t1. So s2 minus s1, if you are going s2 minus s1, so how much distance is there? You can see BC is the distance, right? So here we are writing BC. And then what is the time? The time T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, student, this is T2 minus T1, right? So how much time will be there, student? T2 minus T1. So that is, it is going to be CA. So here we are representing CA, right? CA. So tan theta, okay, equal to tan theta. Why tan theta, student? So tan theta means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So this is the perpendicular and this is base. So the distance we are talking about is, this is tan theta, where theta is angle which distance time graph makes with the x-axis. Tan theta is called slope of the distance time graph. Slope represent gradient of distance time graph. Hence we conclude that slope of distance type graph represent speed of the body. So whatever the slope is there now, student, this slope, this is, that is, calculate that slope of distance time graph represent the speed of the body. When a body moving along a straight line, we can take a magnitude of distance equal to the distance traveled by the body. When a body moving along a straight line, we can take magnitude of displacement equal to distance We can then use the terms uniform velocity in plane uniform speed. You can learn more about the tan theta and trigonometry topic included in mathematics class course for ninth. So this is all about the answers.